What's up, Next Bluprint community? Hope you guys are all doing well out there. My name is Mike Opid. I am one of the co-owners of Next Bluprint. Guys, for this vlog, we really want to talk to you about what you need to be doing right now to set your business up for not only success for the rest of this year, but definitely next year in this changing market we're dealing with. Interest rates, those things are crazy. Can't get enough of those, right? That's what everyone's talking about. There's minimal buyers out there right now because of those rates, and there's still a lack of inventory. And this is across the country, across the world, so we're all dealing with it. But there is also something that happens during these times, during these tougher markets, that some agents decide that they're going to really go all in on their business, even more than they already have. And guess what, guys? These are the agents that when the markets shift, are miles ahead of everyone else. And what we really just call that, when we talk to our agents, we call that just doubling down. All right? And I'm not talking about blackjack. I'm not talking about card games. I'm talking about pushing harder, guys. This is the time, really, to not take your foot off the gas. So many agents during these times, when these markets get difficult, they either leave the industry or they start pulling back themselves and they pull the woe is me card and start blaming the market. You can't do it, guys. If you really want to make real estate your career, this is the time to push harder. All right? And it doesn't mean you have to work an insane amount of extra hours. All right? This just means really taking a look at your business and seeing what else you can do to make it move faster forward. All right? And the first thing we talk about when we talk to our agents about this is the database. We harp on it. Databases are everything. They are the core of a sales business. You need to be marketing to your database. Well, in markets like this, you need to really double down on that and see what other marketing you can do to get your name out there to your people. And what message that you can send out there to get them to take action. All right, so if you market to your database, let's say 28 times a year, all right, double it up. Think about for the next 50 weeks, hitting your people up one time a week. It's not difficult to do. It doesn't take a ton of extra time, but it will increase your brand exposure. It will get people thinking about you. And if you provide really good value to them, it might help them actually take action now and listen to you instead of anything else they're reading or hearing. Because remember, guys, people are going to be online, they're going to be on social media, and they're going to read what they want to read. But you are the industry professional. So take the time to educate your people. You know, maybe the rates are high, but is there a lending option out there that you could explain to them that most people don't know about because they only know about 30-year fixed conventional mortgages? There might be opportunities there to create a buyer when there wasn't a buyer there already, all right? So databases, first thing, go all in your databases, all right? And that does also mean like maybe calling, texting, emailing, sending out flyers, doing newsletters, you know, really, really go all at your database. That's the first thing, all right? Second thing, social media. Guys, if you're using social media, that's amazing. Do more on it. Maybe post a couple extra times a week, or maybe decide to start doing live videos, or putting out blogs like this that are beneficial for the consumer, for the people that you follow, that follow you or that you follow, and the people that are, you know, following what you're doing. Market to them. Put out content that's going to help them, that maybe will get them to take action, things that, again, they don't know about. We're on the inside, guys. Use that to your advantage. Take the information your lender's given you or your attorney's given you or that you saw somewhere else, maybe on Inman or something, and now throw that at your people so that they could potentially see that this is an opportunity, that it's still a good time to buy. And actually, it's a fantastic time to buy because you can negotiate for the first time in years and maybe get a better deal on a property, which most buyers are always looking for. All right, so social media, go all in on it. All right, commit to doing it. Put a content calendar together and just start marketing to your people. And the last thing is a very simple thing you can do. just do something extra every single day that will move your business forward. And it could be anything. All right, if you're a caller and you like to call people, maybe call one extra person every single day. If you're a texter and you're sending out text messages to people, text one extra person. All right, maybe send out an extra email that week that you weren't going to initially do to your database. All right, maybe decide to add a newsletter or some kind of content to them. Maybe post extra stuff on social media. You got to do something extra, something that you are not currently doing, because that's how you keep pushing your business forward. And this is a great thing you should do actually anytime, is take whatever the line you're at and just move it forward a little bit. If you keep doing this, your business will continue to move forward. All right, so just to sum it all up, don't pull back, push forward. This is the time to really go all in on your business, even more so than you're doing. There is always something extra you can do if you just get creative and think about what else could be done to get your name out there. If you do this, when this market turns around, you'll see how far ahead you are of everyone else who is not willing to commit the way you are. Our last thing, guys, please, if you like our content and you want to get more of it, we encourage you to please subscribe to our channel, hit the little like button, and just check us out more. We post a video every single week, Mondays at 9 a.m. Central Time, just more education to help you out.